In the treacherous savannah, standing together is the only way out. A dozen lions, one target. The situation is critical. If that buffalo hits the ground, it's over. There's no coming back. But this herd doesn't retreat. The lead bull makes his stand. He charges, striking the pride with pure, raw intensity. The hunters become the hunted. Against this momentum, the lions have no choice but to back down. It's a suicide mission. But the buffalo aren't done. They're pressing the advantage, crushing the lion's spirit. Total victory might be impossible, but they had the courage to fight back. They gave it everything.